Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kat. Welcome back to the line series. We are on day 5. If you missed day 4, then I'm going to link it up here, down below in the description and in the comments below as well. So this is a hip mobility routine. We are going to be working on a little bit of stretching, a little bit of mobility and a little bit of strengthening at the same time. So hopefully by the end, you're going to have some strong open hips. And when you're ready, then let's get those joints nice and juicy. So we're going to start by mobilizing our pelvis and our spine. Come onto your mat and lie on your back. So your feet are hip distance apart, knees are pointing towards the ceiling. Arms are by your side, palms facing down, up to you. You can also have it palms facing the ceiling as well. The back of your ribs are touching the floor and so are your shoulders as well. Make sure your pubic bone and hip bones are nice and parallel towards the ceiling or the floor beneath you, and press into your feet. Take a deep breath in and exhale all the air out. And again. Good. On your next one, let's tilt the pubic bone towards your belly button on an inhale. Exhale to come back to the natural spine curve. And again. And exhale. So here you're trying to squeeze the lower obliques to tilt the pubic bone towards your belly button. We got 2 more. Last one. Good, come back into the natural spine curve. So on your next one, we're going to come into a pelvic curl. So inhale, tilt the pubic bone towards your belly button. Your lower back is going to touch the floor. As you exhale, slowly start to peel your lower back off that floor, then your middle back and upper back. At the very top, you're going to come into a nice shoulder bridge position. Your knees, hip and rib are in one straight line. Inhale here. Exhale, let's slowly start to lower down from the sternum or your upper back. Then your middle back, lower back, and then back into the natural spine curve. Let's go again. Inhale, tilt the pubic bone towards your belly button. Exhale, peel the lower back off that floor. Then your middle back, upper back. Press into your feet as you get up to the top. Continue tucking your tailbone towards your belly button. Inhale here. Exhale, let's slowly start to lower down from the upper back. So you want to try to do this as slowly as you can to create as much space as you can within each joint in the spine. Let's go again. Notice if you have one side stronger than the other. Are you pressing to both of your feet equally as you come up? And exhale. Continue lengthening the spine in opposition. One more. Slowly come all the way back down. Good. Extend your left leg out nice and straight and flex the feet. Right leg up is pointing towards the ceiling. Your feet can be as straight as you can go, so even if it's slightly bent, that's totally fine. From here, place your hands on top of your hip bones for a little bit of feedback, but you don't have to if you don't want to. Inhale here. You're going to circle your knee across your body, then lower down, all the way down towards, away from your body. Exhale, circle up. And again, inhale, across the body. Exhale to come up. So think about squeezing your 2 hip bones together so that you control your pelvis, so it's not rocking from side to side. And if you're finding that you are rocking from side to side, then reduce the range of motion and back. Let's reverse. Inhale to come away and down. Exhale to come up. This is not necessarily about how wide you can draw this circle. You want to make sure that you're controlling your pelvis. Last one. And lower back down. Right leg out straight, flex the feet. Left leg up as straight as you can. If you can, point the toes. If not, you don't have to. Inhale to come across. Down. Exhale to come up. And again. But notice which side is more mobile than the other. Here we're working on our hip mobility. Last one. Good, let's reverse. And if you find this a little bit easy, then slow down the movement so that you can control it more. Last one. Perfect. Bend the legs so that they're in line with your sit bones and they're hip distance apart. Place your hands by your side. Inhale here. As you exhale, let's extend both the hips up towards the ceiling. Press into your feet. So here in this top position, think about extending the thighs over the knees. And continue tucking your tailbone towards your belly button to get engaged the back body. So your hamstrings, your glutes, but you're also engaging the quads here. So you're pressing into your feet. Think about pressing to the four corners of your feet. And let's come down. You can either come all the way down towards the floor or you can go halfway. And down. So notice whether or not you're externally rotating your thigh where you're like this, or if they're nice and parallel, pointing towards the wall in front of you. Make sure you're squeezing both of your legs equally. We got two more. Last one. Hold it at the top. From here, let's lower the left knee down. So you're gonna roll onto the side of your feet here. You might not be going all the way down towards the floor, and that's totally fine. Over to the other side. So as you do this, pay attention to whether or not your hip is dipping down. You wanna make sure that they're nice and level. So only go as far as you can maintain this height or level in the hips. We got two more on each side. Last one. Good. This time we're going to do both the legs out. Continue tucking the tailbone towards your belly button and come back. We got four more. 3, 2, last one. Let's slowly roll down bone by bone and have a little breather. Good. On your next one, let's come all the way back up. This time we are going to drop one hip down and back up. Over to the other side. So one, you're keeping the hip height high. The other side, you're lowering it down towards halfway towards the floor and back. Last one on each side. And let's slowly come down. Inhale here. Exhale, let's slowly lower down from the sternum. Middle back. Upper back. Lower back. And then back into the natural spine curve. Good, so let's roll over onto our side. Bend the elbow and place your head into your elbow like this. So bend your lower leg and have your top leg at hip height. Extend the top hip away from the top rib and draw the core in. Bend the other elbow and place it behind your head. Inhale here. Let's bring the leg in front of us. Flex the feet. Exhale, let's come back behind us. So here you're going to feel it really open up in the hip here. And come back. See if this time you can come a little bit further. And a little bit further backwards. Last one. Inhale here. Exhale, let's lift up and down. We got 2 more. Last one. And bring it back. Let's come all the way over to the other side. Bend at the elbow and place your head into the elbow. Bottom leg is bent, top leg is straight. Extend the top hip away, bend the other elbow and place it behind your head. Inhale, let's bring the leg in front. Exhale, let's come back all the way back behind us and back. See if you can get a little bit further and back. A little bit further backwards and forward and back. Last one. This time let's lift it up and down. Hopefully you won't have a plant in the background like I do. We got 2 more. Last one. And come back. Bring the legs in together and come lying on the floor. So flex the right leg and place it in the middle of your thigh. So take a deep breath in. Exhale, push the right knee out. So you can either be like this and that could be an okay stretch. If you need a bigger stretch, inhale here. As you exhale, let's interlace the hands and bring the left knee in towards us. You can either put it underneath here or up here, up to you. Inhale here. And exhale, see me bring it a little bit closer. But as you bring it in closer, think about tilting your pubic bone away from your belly button here to get that opposition in stretch. Inhale. Exhale, see if you bring it a little bit closer. Last one. And let's come back. Over to the other side. Left leg. Flex the feet, place it in the middle of your thigh. Push the left knee out. Inhale here. Exhale, let's bring the other knee in if you can. If not, you can hold it where you on the floor. Interlace your hands. Inhale. Exhale, let's see if you can bring it in closer. Tilt the pubic bone away from your belly button here. We got 2 more breaths. Last one. And let's come all the way back. Good. If you guys enjoyed that routine, then give it a thumbs up. That lets me know that you liked it. Leave a comment below for any suggestions or requests. And if you want to join me in the next video, then subscribe to my channel. Turn on the notification bell, and I'll see you in the next one.